How do businesses gather insights to drive strategic decisions? This video delves into the core principles of marketing research methods and their application in business. Explore how different techniques can lead to effective marketing outcomes.
Marketing research systematically gathers, records, and analyzes data. It provides insights for strategic decision-making. Primary research collects original data through surveys and interviews. Secondary research analyzes existing data from sources like journals. Each method has unique advantages and challenges. Primary research involves collecting new data directly from respondents. Methods include surveys, interviews, and focus groups. It offers specific, current information tailored to research objectives. However, it can be time-consuming and costly. This method suits businesses needing precise, up-to-date insights. Secondary research analyzes data collected for other purposes. Sources include academic journals and industry reports. It's cost-effective and quickly accessible. However, data may be outdated or not fully relevant. This method suits businesses needing cost-efficient, broad insights. Surveys use structured questionnaires for quantitative data. They're useful for understanding customer satisfaction and brand awareness. Interviews gather qualitative data through one-on-one conversations. They provide detailed insights but require more time. Both methods are vital for comprehensive research. Focus groups involve guided discussions to explore perceptions. They generate diverse perspectives but are not statistically generalizable. Observations record behaviors in natural settings, offering real-world insights. Observer bias and ethical concerns can be challenges. These methods enrich qualitative research. Experiments test cause and effect relationships in marketing. They offer clear, actionable insights for strategy testing. However, they can be complex and costly to execute. Experiments are ideal for businesses testing new strategies or products. They provide a controlled environment for reliable results. The research process begins with defining the problem. A clear research question guides the entire process. Developing a research plan outlines methodology and data collection. Data is then collected and analyzed for insights. Presenting findings ensures stakeholders understand and use the results. Digital marketing uses various channels to engage audiences. Each channel has unique characteristics and challenges. SEO and PPC advertising are key strategies. Responsive websites and social media platforms enhance reach. Choosing the right mix is crucial for effective digital marketing. SEO optimizes websites for higher search engine rankings. It offers cost-effective, long-term results. However, it requires ongoing effort and technical expertise. SEO suits content-driven strategies like blogs. It's essential for businesses seeking sustained online presence. PPC involves paying for ads on search engines and platforms. It provides immediate, targeted results with measurable metrics. However, it can be expensive and requires continuous investment. PPC is ideal for quick visibility and e-commerce. It's effective for lead generation and promotions. Responsive websites adapt to different devices for optimal viewing. They improve user experience and offer SEO benefits. Development and maintenance can be costly. They're essential for businesses aiming for seamless user experience. Particularly important for e-commerce and content-rich sites. Facebook allows businesses to create pages and engage users. It offers a large user base with advanced targeting options. Algorithm changes and content saturation are challenges. Facebook suits B2C businesses focusing on brand awareness. It's effective for visual and interactive content. LinkedIn is a professional platform for B2B marketing. It connects businesses with decision makers and industry professionals. Advertising can be costly, and the audience is niche. LinkedIn is ideal for sharing industry insights and professional content. It's effective for B2B businesses and recruitment. Twitter enables real-time engagement through short messages. It has viral potential and facilitates brand monitoring. Character limits and short content lifespan are challenges. Twitter suits real-time updates and customer service. It's effective for concise, timely content like news and promotions. Viral marketing creates highly shareable content. It offers exponential reach and high engagement. However, it's unpredictable and can lose brand control. Viral marketing is ideal for rapid brand exposure. Effective for creative, humorous, or emotionally resonant content. Digital marketing faces rapid technological changes and budget constraints. Measuring effectiveness and maintaining engagement are ongoing challenges. Data privacy and compliance add complexity. Strategies include continuous learning and leveraging cost-effective tools. Prioritizing channels and using advanced analytics are crucial. The digital landscape evolves with new platforms and tools. Continuous learning and training help teams keep pace. Staying informed through industry blogs and events is crucial. Agile marketing practices enable quick adaptation. These strategies help businesses stay competitive. Limited resources can restrict digital marketing efforts. Prioritizing high ROI channels maximizes impact. Leveraging low-cost tools and content repurposing saves costs. Partnerships and collaborations offer shared resources. These strategies optimize budget use effectively. Measuring digital marketing effectiveness is complex. Clear metrics and advanced analytics tools are essential. Multi-touch attribution models track contributions across channels. Regular reporting and analysis inform strategy adjustments. These practices ensure data-driven decisions. Engaging audiences in a competitive environment is challenging. High-quality, personalized content is key. Interactive and visual elements boost engagement. Community building fosters direct interaction with users. These strategies enhance audience retention.
The right approach ensures effective and efficient outcomes. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.